Welcome to Blackwater Tech. In this video I'm going to show you how to install or replace some sensors. So you can see I've got my head ready here. I've got 3 sensors. Normally they'll come in a vacuum sealed packet or a small packet that you have to cut open. And remember, the sensor positions are labelled here: number 1, number 2 and number 3. Now I'll give you some tips. So I'm just going to rotate round and rest the head on the battery block there. Now in the past I've seen people who think they've got sensors that are no longer working, but actually it's been these connections and here that have been so dirty with salt build up and some tarnish from the gold plate, it's actually affecting the millivolt readings. So a good piece of general maintenance for anyone is actually to keep these clean. So you just need a bit of contact cleaner, and what you can do is just get rid of any tarnish, keep the connections nice and clean like that. The other tip is you'll be very surprised if you put straight down and twist. Quite often you can get some tarnish on there. See, tiny little mark there. Like I said, this one was done before. And if you do this as well with your sensors, just from time to time. Okay. Don't obviously need to do this with new ones, but if they've been in there for a couple of months and you're diving a lot, you can see there you get the black tarnish. And you can just go like that. There, see, that's quite dirty. Alright, so remember to write the date of installation in these, that way you won't use them more than 12 months. So the first one I'm going to do here is number 1. So just line it up to make sure you don't cross thread it and just rotate in. No need to over tighten these. Okay, number 2. Just turning the cable a bit there as well. Now with number 2, what I do is I take the cable underneath number 1 and just firmly push down, click that into position. This one we loop over, so rather than just clicking in there and risking trapping the cable, loop over once, click into there. And then the last one, sensor number 3, which is the one next to the solenoid. And I'm going to loop this one over as well. So that's going to go in to there. Okay. So let's just check the sensors. So I'm going to turn my handset on. And what you should see, these 3 readings should be between 19 and 23. If they're not, you could consider that they're faulty. If I push the right button 5 times, I get the millivolt reading. So remember, you want between 9 and 13. If it's outside that range, you should consider them faulty. I'm getting the low PO2 reading because I'm in high set point, so the solenoid's firing. So always remember, after the dive, or when you're not using the unit, put the set point to 0.19, which is the energy saving mode there. Okay, I hope you found this useful reminder of how to replace and just maintain your sensors. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe, add a comment, and if you've got any requests, if we need help with anything, just let me know. Thanks.